Hi guys, welcome back to For He Who Is Mighty. I have a shadow on me and I think it's my rear mirror light. It is really still dark out here, so the sun is rising, but it's still pretty dark. I got to the hospital. I am going to eat my bagel that I picked up from Starbucks, except they didn't give me a knife, so I have to use my finger for this. I ate one half already on the way. And then I got a London fog. I have a lot to say about my clinicals in OB, but let me eat my bagel first. Alright, so today I'm going to be in labor and delivery. I've been in this rotation for today's my 4th week. My hair is a mess, but it's because I put it up and so there's no point of doing my hair. But I'm gonna be in labor and delivery today, and I thought today, look at how tired I look. Oh my gosh. You guys, it's no joke how exhausting these days are. Like, the exhaustion that comes with this carries on to like Friday or the rest of the week. I don't know. It's tiring because not only do I have to wake up early, but I'm on my feet all day. I'm mentally like trying to process everything that's going on the floor, and then I have a drive home, so it's a lot. Did I mention that my drive is an hour and 30 minutes, 2 hours with traffic? It's a lot. Thankfully though, today's my last day, so I thought I would vlog today. I'm not vlogging though. I'm just gonna talk about it, because there's literally signs all over my hospital that are like, no camera allowed, no pictures, no video allowed. So I'm obviously going to be respectful about that. My hospital is a really fancy hospital and I've enjoyed being here, but it's just so different from my last rotation, because my last rotation, it was nice, but it wasn't like this nice. Okay, so I want to show you guys what I carry with me. I don't carry a purse or anything. I literally just stuff everything in my pockets because it's too much. So I carry a watch. I'm going to put this on later, but I'm going to put this in my pocket. I also take chapstick with me. I take my debit card for lunch. I have a multicolored pen and my black pen. And then some scissors, because you never know when you're going to need scissors on the floor. And then I'm going to stuff all this in here. I carry my clipboard with my notes, and this one folds over, so it's super nice. I just stuff it in my big pocket on this side and I'm ready to go, and I take notes on here and whatever I need. As far as PPE wear, I have my N95 mask and I put a surgical mask over it, and then I have to wear a face shield when I go into patients' rooms, so I have this face shield. And I also have my stethoscope. I attach it together because N95s are gold right now because of the pandemic. So that's basically all I take besides my car key and my phone. I just don't like carrying a lot, just the essentials. So as far as how my experience has been with OB, I've enjoyed it. I did very limited clinical time, so that I think affected it a little bit. Because I didn't have much experience, but I did enjoy it. It's definitely been a good reminder of how life is such a miracle in itself, and that we take it for granted a lot of times. And even from like the first breath of the newborn and just how that happens, it's like the Lord designed it so amazingly and it's beautiful. I don't know if I'm gonna record after my day, because legit I'm so tired when I get back into my car and I'm driving home. I just can't function. Like my brain doesn't function anymore. So if this is the last time you see me, I hope you enjoyed today's video. That's just how I get ready in the morning. And yeah, there's not much more I can do because I can't vlog inside. So I will see you guys next time. My next rotation will be on pediatrics, so maybe I'll be able to film there, but as of now, that's as good as it gets, because it's been a semester, y'all. You don't even know. we're vlogging.
What's up, vlog? It's Miss Flores.
Alright, Karen, moment of truth. Wait, this is better lighting. Come over here. I look like I'm sick, but whatever.
You aren't?
Just a little sip. You don't have to.
That's good. No, it really is really good.
Isn't it good?
Yeah.
I was impressed.
At first, I just got like the milk. The
Yeah. I was impressed with myself this morning. Is it a bomb?
Yeah, this is really good. Because the one that I got, it didn't taste. It had like a different taste to it. I don't know if you noticed.
Which one?
The powder.
Oh yeah.
That you used. It wasn't like.
I think I needed.
That's why I didn't.
But because it has sweetener, but I think it needs a little more sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.